Welcome back to Westy Explores. Today I'm exploring another of London's famous destinations, Covent Garden. Known for its historic market, world-class street performers, boutique shopping, restaurants, and beautiful architecture, Covent Garden attracts millions of visitors every year. But is it worth visiting, and what makes it so special? Before we start exploring, here's a little history. The name Covent Garden comes from Covent Garden, as this area was once owned by the monks from Westminster Abbey. In the 1600s, the area was transformed into London's first planned square. It later became a bustling fruit and vegetable market that supplied produce across the city for centuries. The market eventually moved to a new location in the 1970s, but the historic buildings were preserved and transformed into the attraction we see today. This is the heart of Covent Garden, known as the Piazza. This is where you'll find the famous street performers that have helped make Covent Garden world famous. The quality of performers here is often incredible. You'll see magicians, musicians, acrobats, comedians, and entertainers drawing huge crowds throughout the day. If you're visiting London for the first time, this is one of the best places in the city to simply stop, watch, and enjoy the atmosphere. This covered market is packed with independent traders, selling everything from handmade jewellery and artwork to antiques, crafts, and unique gifts. This is known as the Apple Market. It's a great place to browse if you're looking for something different from the usual high street shops. The market changes daily, so there's no two visits that are exactly the same. Covent Garden isn't just about the market. The surrounding streets are home to a mix of luxury brands, independent boutiques, beauty stores, and specialist retailers. The area has become one of London's premier shopping destinations while still maintaining much of its historic character. What I like about it most is it feels more relaxed and pedestrian-friendly compared to some of London's busier shopping districts. One thing you'll never struggle to find in Covent Garden is somewhere to eat. Whether you're looking for a quick coffee, traditional British food, international cuisine, or fine dining, there are endless options. The outdoor dining areas are particularly popular during the warmer months and make a great spot for people watching. Also located in Covent Garden is the London Transport Museum, which tells the fascinating story of how London's transport network helped shape the city we know today. As you can see, the museum's gift shop is packed with London-themed souvenirs, featuring everything from tube maps and model buses to transport-inspired gifts and memorabilia. Overlooking Covent Garden is the famous Royal Opera House. This world-renowned venue hosts opera and ballet performances and has been a major part of London's cultural scene for generations. So, what makes Covent Garden so popular? For me, it's the combination of history, entertainment, shopping, food, and atmosphere all packed into one relatively compact area. Unlike some tourist attractions where there's only one thing to see, Covent Garden offers a little bit of everything. Yes, it can get busy, especially on weekends, but there's a reason so many people keep coming back. It's a good spot to take a break before continuing on with your sightseeing. That brings us to the end of our short walk around Covent Garden. Have you visited before? If so, let me know your favourite part in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and why not subscribe? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.